Hi children, in last video we completed fundamental features of chordate, right? In this video we are going to discuss about other features of chordate, right? Anyway, shall we recap it that overall tabulation once which we completed last class? Phylum Chordata. It has two groups, Group A, Group B. Group A, Acraniata or Protochordata, lower chordates. Group B, Craniata or Euchordata. Group A, lower chordates, has two subphylum. Urochordata example Acidia, Cephalochordata example Amphioxus. Group B, Craniata, has subphylum Vertebrata. Subphylum Vertebrata has two divisions. Division 1 Agnatha, Division 2 Gnathostomata. Agnatha has two classes, Astrocodomi, which is very primitive, class 2 Cyclostomata. Gnathostomata has two superclass, Pisces, Tetrapod. Pisces and tetrapods are superclass. Pisces have fins. Tetrapod have limbs. 4 limbs. Tetra means 4. Poda means limbs. So tetrapod means which has 4 limbs. Pisces has following classes: Placodermi, example Clematis; Chondrichthyes, example shark Scoliodon; Astichthyes, hippocampus catfish. Tetrapod has following classes: Amphibia, Reptilia, Aves, Mammals. Yes, let's start with the general characters of chordates. Chordates are bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic, coelomates, organ system level of organization. It possesses post-anal tail, closed circulatory system, ventral myogenic heart except Amphioxus. Shall we see one by one? Bilateral symmetry. What is bilateral symmetry? In previous video we discussed about lot of things about bilateral symmetry, right? Bilateral symmetry, when the body can be divided into, see to the picture, when the body can be divided into identical left and right halves in only one plane. In only one plane. That is bilateral symmetry. And the animals possessing the type of symmetry is called as bilaterally symmetrical animals. Chordates are bilaterally symmetrical animals. Triploblastic. What is triploblastic? Those animals in which the developing embryo also has 3 germinal layers. The germinal layers are ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. Got it? Chordates are triploblastic. Coelomates. What is coelom? Fluid filled space is called as coelom. A body cavity can mean any internal space or a series of spaces present inside the body is called as coelom. The true coelom is a body cavity which arises as a body cavity in embryonic mesoderm. In this case, mesoderm of the embryo provides a cellular lining called coelomic epithelium. Got it? Mesoderm la irundhu rise agakudiyada nama enna solluvom? Idha last class la nariya paathutom. Mesoderm la irundhu rise aachuna adha true coelom appdin solluvom. True coelom, body cavity, fluid filled body cavity. So chordates are coelomates. Chordates are coelomates. Organ system level of organization. Level of organization la chordate எந்த லெவல்ல வருது அப்படினு பாத்தீங்கன்னா organ system level of organization. What is organ system level of organization? In higher animals, organs are associated. See the picture, like circulatory system, like nervous system, right? Respiratory system, digestive system, skeletal system, muscular system. Every systems are concerned with a specific physiological function, right? Different organ system depend on each other. Different organ system, they are depend on each other to maintain functioning of an organism. This level is explained to be a organ system level of organization. Humanல example human எடுத்துக்கலாம். நம்மள circulatory system இருக்கு, nervous system இருக்கு, and then respiratory system, digestive system, skeletal system and muscular system. Each and every system performs specific function. So this system is called it as organ system level of organization. Post-anal tail. Post-anal tail is the characteristic feature of chordates. Got it? See to the picture. Basic characteristic feature of chordate. Even chicken embryo, human embryo have post-anal tail in that embryonic condition, but it disintegrates at the time of birth. So post-anal tail is the characteristic feature of chordate. Closed circulatory system. What is closed circulatory system? In this system, blood circulates through a series of the blood vessel but varying diameter, like arteries, veins, capillaries, right? Arteries, vein and capillary without ever coming in direct contact in the body cell. Body cell oda direct contact ஆகாது. அதுக்கு பதிலா என்ன பண்ணும்? Arteries, capillaries, veinsல circulate ஆகும். Continuous flow ஆகும். Maintains the flow. This blood vessels maintain the circulation. This type of circulatory system is called as closed circulatory system. Example, fish, frog, turtle, lizard, crocodile, birds, mammals, everything have closed type of circulatory system. Myogenic heart. What is myogenic heart? Right? Ventral myogenic heart is the characteristic feature of chordates. In the human heart, contraction is initiated at the modified heart muscle is called it as sinoatrial node. See to the picture, this is a sinoatrial node, which is located on the right atrium. SA node has the inherent power. It has inherent power. தனக்குன்னு ஒரு பவர் இருக்கு. அந்த பவர் என்ன பண்ணும்னா என்ன ஜெனரேட் பண்ணும்னா வே ஆஃப் கான்ட்ராக்ஷன் அண்ட் கண்ட்ரோலிங் ஹார்ட் பீட். ஹார்ட் பீட்டை கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ணுறது, கான்ட்ராக்ஷனை ஏற்படுத்துறது, இது எல்லாமே என்னது? SA நோட். Got it? SA node. Heart contract ஆகிறதுனால தான் blood flow உள்ள போகுது. Got it? SA node have the inherent generating power, way of contraction and controlling of the heartbeat. Hence, SA node is called it as pacemaker of the heart, because the heartbeat initiated by the SA node. SA node ல இருந்து initiate எங்க போகும்? AV node. AV node ல இருந்து எங்க போகும்? Bundle of His. Bundle of His ல இருந்து Purkinje fiber. Right? இந்த மாதிரி heart contract ஆகிறதுக்கு காரணமானது pacemaker. Pacemaker as sinoatrial node which is located on the right atrium. Right atrium ல இருக்கக்கூடிய இந்த SA node முக்கியமான பவர்னா inherent power of generating, way of contraction, controlling the heartbeat. So SA node sends the impulse to the AV node. Then it sends the impulse to the bundle of His and Purkinje fiber. SA node and the impulse of contraction originate from the heart itself. The human heart is termed to be a myogenic heart. The hearts of vertebrates are also myogenic heart. What is myogenic heart? Which has the inherent power to initiate the contraction and controlling the heartbeat. Got it? Now we are going to discuss about the chordates and non-chordates differences. Non-chordates, vertebral column is absent obviously, yes, right? And then chordates, vertebral column present ஆயிருக்கும். Non-chordate central nervous system எப்படி இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, central nervous system ரொம்ப சாலிடாக இருக்கும், வென்ட்ரலாக இருக்கும். அந்த ஆர்கனிசம்க்கு வென்ட்ரல் சைடில் இருக்கும். What about the chordates? It is hollow and dorsal. Central nervous system hollow-ஆ dorsal-ஆ இருக்கும். dorsal. Think about the human. We have dorsal, right? Central nervous system is dorsal. And then non-chordates, if the heart is present, it is dorsal. Chordates, heart is ventral. Namakku heart ventral irukku. Touch your heart and feel. We have ventrally placed heart. Point number 4, hemoglobin, if present, it dissolved in plasma. Hemoglobin irunduchina non-chordate la plasma oda dissolve aayirukkum. Chordates la hemoglobin is present in the RBC corpuscles. RBC la irukkum hemoglobin, right? Non-chordate la fifth point parunga, the anus is posterior, no post-anal tail. Okay, anus enga irukum? Posterior irukum. அந்த எர்த்வாம்னா அந்த எர்த்வாம்ல பைஜிடியம்ன்ற லாஸ்ட் செக்மெண்ட்ல anus இருக்கு. Right? What about the chordates? Chordates la post-anal tail is present. Non-chordates example protozoa, arthropoda, annelida. Chordate example fishes, aves, reptilia, mammals. It's an important 3-mark question. Shall we recap it again? Vertebral column is absent. Non-chordates la vertical column is absent. Here present. Central nervous system solid, ventral. Here it is hollow, dorsal. Heart, if heart is present, non-chordates dorsal. Chordates, just touch your heart and feel ventral. எப்பவுமே அதை மறந்துடக்கூடாது. Non-chordates, hemoglobin if present is இருந்தா பிளாஸ்மாவில் டிசால்வ் ஆயிருக்கும். chordate hemoglobin RBCயோட ஃபிக்ஸ் ஆயிருக்கும். Non-chordates, anus is posterior. நான் ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் சொன்னேன், எர்த்வாம்ல லாஸ்ட் செக்மெண்ட் பைஜிடியம் சொல்லுவோம். Pygidium, last segment is called it as pygidium, and the last segment posterior என்ன இருக்கும்? Anus locate ஆயிருக்கும். Post anal tail ல இருக்காது. ஆனா chordate பாத்தீங்கன்னா post anal tail இருக்கும். Non-chordate example protozoa, arthropoda, annelida. Chordates example fishes, aves, reptilia, mammalia. Right? Yes children, I hope you can understand the general features of chordates. In next video, we'll start with the subphylum. Thank you children.